The Bonoutil 21V paint sprayer is equipped with a powerful motor and a 21-volt lithium battery, providing lower noise levels and rapid heat dissipation for efficient operation. This cordless paint sprayer is remarkably convenient and flexible, allowing you to work without the constraints of a power cord. And it is significantly faster than traditional painting methods. With 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, and 5 different copper nozzle sizes, it offers versatility and precision for various painting tasks. The sprayer features a convenient hook design for easy hanging, and its detachable parts make it simple to clean and store after use. Capable of handling multiple types of paint, including water-based, oil-based, varnish, and latex, it is ideal for a wide range of applications, from house painting to furniture and more. The high-capacity 900 milliliter container minimizes the need for frequent paint refills, enhancing productivity and reducing interruptions during projects.